How to use Airtable for event planning? Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Airtable for event planning. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Start by logging into your Airtable account and choosing the event planning template from the template gallery. Once your base is created, you'll see tables for things like tasks, vendors, schedules, and budgets. In the Tasks table, list out everything that needs to be done. Assign each task to a team member and set deadlines. Use the calendar view to visualize timelines and avoid overlapping tasks. In the Vendors table, track contacts, quotes, and agreements for caterers, decorators, and entertainment. You can also use the Kanban view to move tasks through different stages like to-do, in progress, and completed. Add attachments like contracts, menus, or floor plans directly into each record to keep everything in one place. Use color coding and filters to highlight urgent tasks or pending items. When everything's set, share your base with collaborators or clients using the share link or permission settings. And that's how you can use Airtable to plan your events like a pro. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for the video.